In this step, we will finish the pockets using a pocket toolpath. Expand the gallery in the 2D group, and then select Pocket. Change your view to Top. Make sure Solid Selection Method is enabled. Enable Face Selection and disable everything else. Then, select the bottom of these pockets. And press OK. Select Tool. And select the 532 flat end mill that we used earlier. Enter the comment, Finish the pocket walls. Select Cut Parameters. And change the stock to leave on walls and floors to 0. Select Finishing. Make sure Finish is enabled. Number of passes is set to 1. The spacing is set to 0.01. Enable Machine Finish passes only at final depth, and disable Machine Finish passes after roughing all pockets. Select Lead In Out. Change the entry line length to 60% and arc radius to 60%. Then copy the values over. Select Depth Cuts and make sure it's disabled. Then select Linking Parameters. Make sure top of stock is set to 0 absolute and the depth is set to 0 incremental. Then press OK to generate the operation. Backplot the operation. When backplot is finished, press OK. And return your view to isometric and toggle the toolpath display off. Next, we will finish the outside profile using a contour toolpath. Expand the gallery in the 2D group and select Contour. Change the selection method to Loop and select this bottom loop. Make sure the chaining direction is clockwise. If it's not, click on the reverse button. Then press OK. Select Tool. Click on Select Library Tool. Click on Filter. Change the tool type to Flat End Mill. And set the tool diameter to equal 0.25. Then press OK. Select the 1/4 inch flat end mill and press OK. Enter the comment, Finish the outside profile. Select Cut Parameters. Make sure compensation type is computer, contour type is 2D, compensation direction is left, and tip comp is set to tip. Then make sure stock to leave on walls and floors are both 0. Make sure depth cuts is disabled. Then select Lead In Out. Make sure the entry line and length is 60% and arc radius is 60%. Then copy the values over and change the overlap value to 0.02. The overlap value sets how far the tool goes past the end of the toolpath before exiting for a cleaner finish. Select Linking Parameters. Make sure top of stock is 0 absolute and the depth is 0 incremental. Then press OK to generate the operation. Backplot the operation. If the toolpath is generated on the inside of the part, the chaining direction was likely counterclockwise instead of clockwise. If that's the case, return to Parameters, go to Toolpath Type, and rechain the geometry. Select All Operations and click Verify. When Verify is finished, close the simulation window. Return your view to isometric and toggle the toolpath displays off.